Alright boys, here's my new butt. Back in action, we're back in the action, boys. So quick little background synopsis. Heard that word yesterday. I reminded myself that I should probably use it more. It sounds cool. Of what this video we're about to do is about today and where it stemmed from. The other day I was shopping online for videos like I always do. You know, I stay up late and I go shopping. It's fun and that's how I brainstorm. Now the idea for this night's shopping trip was to make a video testing products that I don't think are gonna work, or testing items that I don't think are gonna work but look pretty cool, and seeing if they work and if they're good, because all of these items that I looked at were very cheap. Now through this process of me storming through the internet, you know, going on websites like Wish, Amazon, I found this first product that just gave me the idea for this whole video. This first product being fake abs. It was a no-brainer at this point. I think they were like 10 bucks on Wish. They could have even been less. And in my mind, if I could get fake abs for 10 bucks that look freaking sick, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna go to the club and I'm gonna freaking hold up my shirt to everyone so they can touch. However, we all know that's not gonna be the case because it was $10, so I want to see pretty much probably how bad these things are. Maybe they're good. Anyway, as I went shopping, I found that. I put that in my cart. I'm like, this is perfect for the video. You know, ads started popping up on my screen. You know, when you click a certain item in a certain topic, other things come up around that same topic. The next thing I came up after this was an insane butt enhancement. Like, the picture that they showed makes it look like I'm about to have a cake and booty for 10 bucks. I bought it, and then I bought another thing. So the reason I'm starting with this is because we are talking about and testing out items that are enhancing your body in this video. Now I might make fun of them because they were very cheap and I assume they're not going to look that good. However, I do want to put out there, I know people get enhancements on their body all the time, whether it's like clothing that they wear, or like suits or whatever, or like surgical procedures. That's okay. I'm not trying to make fun of that. I don't care what you do. If you do it, you do it, and I shouldn't judge. I will not judge, and that's it. I don't usually share my opinions on certain views on the channel, but this is one I'm very happy to share my view on. So I just want to put that out there. You know what I mean? I don't want you guys to take this the wrong way. I'm so accepting to people that want to make those choices. However, these items, like I said, were like $10 and under, and I'm pretty sure they're not going to look good. So I thought I'd try them on and tell you guys, you know, if you're looking to get this stuff, if you should be spending the $10 on it and believing the pictures that they show that these items are supposed to look like. Without further ado, let's get on to this video that I've been weirdly stoked for. I'm getting a new butt, dude. Yeah, girls like butts, boys. You might not know that, but girls like, they like a guy with a good butt. Alright man, we got the products here. Let's unbox products that aren't going to make me look good. First off, I don't know what the hell came rolled up. Freaking me out already, but without further ado, let's get to testing these items. Like I said, let's see if we can actually put these things to use. This first one's actually from Wish. Now, they advertised this one to look like this. It's supposed to make your butt look great. As y'all can see, that's a nice booty. You know what I mean? However, the price doesn't make sense to me, so we're going to try this thing out and see if it gives me the butt that I desire. Oh, it comes with skin color too. As you guys can see, I guess this is a what the f— what in the hell is this? I'm speechless, sorry. So this is supposed to make your butt look like that. I don't get it, man. Actually, these could be good for your thighs, or you could just cut a hole in this and shit through it. I don't really know what the point. I guess I'm gonna try this on and see if it looks like the picture. That's the new peak. Alright, installation's complete on this one. I think the whole premise of this video is don't trust Wish whatsoever, because my butt doesn't look like the damn picture did. As soon as you sit down, man, oh my. I put on sweatpants so we can really get the form of what I'm working with here. I mean, if this is, once again, what you're into, it's cool, I'm not gonna knock it. I just don't think this product is necessarily what they advertised on the damn website. Next up, there's somebody at my door. Hey, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Not too bad.
You need to pay duty, $20.
Oh, okay, duty? Yeah, okay,
Yep.
I'll just put the dog away.
Okay, no problem, no
Thanks,
worry.
man.
We need the receipt for the...
Nah, it's all good, bro. I appreciate it. Yeah, okay, I'll just take it. Have a good one, bro. I just answered the door with the phone. That guy comes to my door every day freaking bringing packages, and I don't think he's seen this thing yet. Bad timing anyway, I don't know what I was saying. Oh yeah, this is supposed to be a very good enhancement if you want to look curvy. So this is for sure. Damn, it has abs. Or maybe this is a bodybuilding one. What the hell? It advertised a curvy girl. Oh. These are boobs, aren't they? What the hell kind of curves are these, bruh? Hey man, look real curvy with a big old fat roll in the middle of your stomach. Not to mention the baby gut you got. At least it comes with a nice, and we've already tried this, nice firm butt that's gonna look awesome on your body. God, what is this? I'm just gonna try this on and once again, show you that if you want this stuff, don't buy the cheap version, because this is gonna look god-awful probably.
That's the new peaks.
This isn't even supposed to go over your butt, it's just a back flab. Awesome, they have that nice little fat roll pouch, and then we just got this right here. So I just don't think this is it. But the good thing is, with the butt pad I already have underneath in this, it kind of connects like I have a mega butt, you know what I mean? It just kind of dips in the middle a little bit. Off. I can break through this! Next up, this doesn't have to do with too much of the premise. I did get other items. The other one I'm not going to show you guys, but it's something that at the time in the headspace when I was buying these products, I thought, oh yeah, I'll test to see if it works on camera. No, I'm not going to do that because it's not good. I don't recommend doing this, but it's for my anxiety, and I got a Yoda piece, boys. It's like a Yoda bowl, so I thought that was sick. You know, it's just a nice piece. It was like $1, so I'm assuming it works. I also got another piece for the same topic, but we're not going to show that. I only do this stuff for anxiety. I have bad anxiety attacks at night, so I just do that and it puts me to sleep. But very sick. It's Yoda, you can't go wrong. Alright man, next up we're going to take out these abs that I found. Oh god. Yeah, they're rolled up. So these are supposed to look like what you see on the screen right now. So what the f is this? You gotta flatten this damn thing like a poster, bro. Get out your textbooks, kids. We got a new use for them. I mean, it looks real dope. I don't know why they spent so much time painting the damn thing, though, when you can't even wear it flat on your body, but we're gonna test it out and see if it works like it shows in the picture. You gotta understand, this whole video is just plain curiosity for me. Can I have abs for 10 bucks? We'll see. I'm the new six-pack shortcut, but cheap. I don't want to work out version.
That's the new peaks.
I'm starting to realize they advertise these products like they should work, but it looks like they just got like Halloween products and like rebranded them. I look like I have a f***ing bulletproof vest on. But the good part is, you could actually see the ab definition. If it was on my f***ing body, thing makes me look like I got a goddamn beer gut slash bulletproof vest and no back. Hey, what's up, baby? What do you mean these are fake? Bah! Welcome to the gym, man. Yeah, I lift more than you. What do you mean these are fake? Bah! So that's it. That's what the video is. I wanted to test products that I knew wouldn't work, and that's what we got, except that thing right there that I'm pointing at, the little yoga thing, that's about to work. If I put the abs underneath, it'll make me look real nice. So appreciate y'all for watching. We're murking the game, the greatest of all time. Y'all, the goats, blow.